Alright class, in this video I'll be showing you the first thing you need to know on PixelLab. First of all, I want you to observe the ball on my screen. It shows my finger. That's where I am on my phone. So I will need you to know what I'm clicking and when I click it. So let's open my PixelLab. I'm using the red PixelLab. So let's open. Alright, in this video I'll be showing you how to add tests on PixelLab. First of all, I need you to know that this black surface, this place you are seeing now is called canvas, and that is the place where you do all the designs. You don't do design here, you don't design here. PixelLab will not even allow you to take anything to this place. If you go for printing, printer machine will only print what is found on this space. It's like a board where you write. Alright, I want to show us how to add more text on PixelLab. The PixelLab have given us a text already. Then if you want to add text, we use this plus icon. You click it, you see text. Alright, you click on text. Another text will be added. Another way is by clicking on A. You click on A, you see plus icon there. Beneath it is text. You can add text by clicking on it. Okay. Then if you want to edit all these things, this is a new text. If you want to edit it to something meaningful like a word, you double click on any of them that you want to edit. Let's say this one. You double click on this one, you see. Then you can now write what you want to write. Say to SUIT-VENS, for instance. My name SUIT-VENS, and if you look, you will see a big and small T paired together over here. Then they represent capital letter and small letter. So if you want to turn everything you have written to capital, you tap on them. If you want to take it back, you tap on them. Then if you want to delete means to delete what I've written. You tap on delete. Alright. Now, if you tap on cancel, you will cancel the editing of the text. The text we met on PixelLab was default, and we wanted to edit it. So, and we came here, and if you tap on this cancel, it means you don't want to edit again. Let's tap on it. See, the default is still there. But if after writing and you still want to go ahead and edit it, you should tap OK. The SUIT-VENS have replaced that default. So that is how to edit on PixelLab. Another way of editing on PixelLab is to tap on the text you want to edit. If I want to edit this one, I'll tap on it. If I tap on it, some things will appear here. If I tap on empty space, some of them will leave, leaving only these two. Okay. Let's assume I want to tap on them. I want to edit this one. I will tap on it, and you see an option of editing here. Beside double clicking, I can use this option here to edit it. Alright, you do the same thing you did the other one, same thing. See that? Or another way of editing, let's say you want to edit this one or this one, you see another pencil icon here. You tap on it, it brings the same pencil we met here, showing that we can still edit from here. See that? Okay. Then if you want to delete some of these text, if you want to delete it, you can either use this delete delete object here. That is after tapping on the text you want to delete. Say this one now. You see, when you tap on it, this delete object, this delete box came out. So you can use this to delete. See that? Or you can use this delete object here, delete box here to go. Alright, I'll show you how to change the font on Pixel. If you want to change the font of this text now, first of all tap the text you want to change the font and go to this AB. This AB beneath it there's font. You see font there. Now this AB is where you can change font of anything you tapped on the canvas. You see all these are fonts, default font that Pixel Lab came with. Just be looking at this place. Oh shit. Just be looking at this place. When I tap on font here, on any font here, all these are names of fonts. You have to 5 and all of that. So if I tap on this font, you see it's changing here. If I tap on this one, it's changing here. See, all of these are fonts. You can either select font from here or from here. You may not see any text on your own under my font because I'm not showing you how to install fonts from Google directly into your Pixel Lab. That is what we're going to learn in part 2 of the teaching. It's part of the thing we're going to learn in part 2 of the teaching. Meanwhile, on my own now, I have fonts. I'm the one that got this one from Google into my Pixel Lab. So if I want to use this font now, I just tap on it. You see, it's reflecting. This is recent. Recent is it's just collection of recent fonts you used in your live design. You may not see font there because I've not used before. You can see font if I play around font before on Pixel Lab. So after selecting the choice of font you want, you tap on OK here. You see, tap on OK. But just in case you don't want to change the font again, you can cancel. Tap on OK, cancel, not OK. Okay, now that is for changing font. And if you want to reduce the size of text on Pixel Lab, you use this left bar. You drag it inward, it will reduce. And if you want to increase it, you reverse it, drag it outward to increase. So that is it. And if the function, there's another bar here. The function of this bar is to shrink text. They are now in vertical form. You can use to shrink text. For instance, if I have something like this, more than one text, like 2, like this one now, I can make it to become 2 paragraphs by shrinking it. See, it's not 2 paragraphs, new and text separate. So it's important when you have many write-ups, you can shrink them to become paragraphs and you reduce them to your text. We'll be using it in so many ways in this class. Alright, right now let me show you how to change color of the text. Like I said, if you want to do anything on any text on Pixel Lab, tap on that text. Options will pop up. Alright, I want to change the color of this. If you come to this place, you see color. So tap on it. You see colors, so many colors are here. What you just need to do is just to select the color you need. Now, I want this one or this. You can just select any color you want. And just in case the color you are looking for is not in this place, and you have a color in mind, or I saw a color somewhere, I want to use it for your design, and it's not in this place. What to do is to come to this plus icon now, and form your own color. Looking at what you have and what you want, form your own color by moving this ball around this big circle. Alright, you can also form color by controlling these bars. You see, this is the product of what they are doing. But in next class, I will show you how to form color perfectly. There's a way of forming color using these bars. In that class, I will explain the meaning about this thing. You need to know it very, very well. Okay. Now, if I want to look at this place now, if I want to stay on this test, I want to separate colors. Like I want to make SIUT white and the rest to be black. What I just need to do is to come here and highlight the one I want to make it to the one I want to turn to black, and go to find black. This is black. I click on black. Okay. But let me use black. Let me use red. Okay. And the rest I can select it to make it white. Okay, let me use yellow. Okay, let me use white. And you can use anything though. Okay. Right, that is how to change color in Pixel Lab. And there is another option you need to know very well, which is gradient. We'll do more on gradient in the next class on that test. The next class we will do more on gradient. Alright. So gradient is like more than one color. It's like a combination of 2 or 3 colors. If you look at this color now, it's not just yellow. There's some part that is darker than the other. Meanwhile, you can add many colors in one circle. Each of these circles represents color. I will show us how to use gradient very well. Meanwhile, you can still tap on any of them. It will affect your test. You see, it will affect your test. And just in case, if what you were looking for, if what you want is not here, you can still form it by tapping on this icon. I will show you how to control, how to do all of this. It's for another class. Okay, that's for color changing test. Alright, we'll be stopping here for part 1, for this part 1. See you next class. Thank you.